Asuntoskeittiö Erkon puisto.
Yes, this is also very nice. Today on the today 10th of July 2023 we have Vuorikatu 8, but this doesn't need the stick to say here.
Yeah.
The only stick is here. It's in Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1962. This year British 1093, modernized in 1998. It has to be the beginning of 1998. And that's the basement floor is locked off.
Yeah.
Right here. It turned 60 years old in last year, 2022, and the mobilization is turning 25 years old this year, 2023. It will be expected the next year, 2024. Strange.
I think one right is now, because we don't have time.
Yeah.
So you can film the flooring yet. No.
You only went over.
Yeah. Inspected by Finland, maintained by Kone.
Still have two rides after.
Yeah.
But luckily on the same garden, Vuorikatu 6 takes us a beer storage now.
Yeah.
Originally beer base.
Mm. And this one is also going to be replaced or modernized again.
Yeah. Never.
I'm quite sure of that.
Luckily I filmed the complete original ones.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's